Okay, so we're going to start with number 7. We want the sine of negative 120. So we're going to add 360 degrees because we want it to be positive, a positive angle, so we can find it in our unit circle. So we're going to do negative 120 plus 360, which is 240. And so now we know that this is equal to sine of 240 degrees. So we're going to go to the unit circle. We're going to find 240, which is right here. And the sine is the y value. So it's negative square root of 3 over 2. So this is negative square root of 3 over 2. That's your answer right there. Okay, the cosine of 330. Go look for 330. It's in the fourth quadrant. The cosine is the x value. So it's square root of 3 over 2. So this is square root of 3 over 2. Okay, moving on. Now we have the secant of 135. So that is the reciprocal of the cosine of 135 degrees. Okay, so right here we have the 135 degrees is in the second quadrant. So the cosine is negative square root of 2 over 2. So then negative square root of 2 over 2. That's the cosine, but we want the reciprocal of that. So the reciprocal is going to be negative 2 over the square root of 2. Now usually you shouldn't have the square root on the bottom, so we're going to multiply the radical top and bottom. So that's negative 2 square root of 2 over 2. So that's 2 times 2 is 4, and the square root of 4 is 2. So then these cancel, the 2's cancel. So you're going to end up with the secant of 135 degrees is going to be negative square root of 2. That's your simplified radical form right there. Okay, cosecant. That's the reciprocal of the sine of pi. So we got to find the sine of pi here first. So the sine of pi is 0. Okay, because it's the y value. Remember, this is your x, this is your y. The sine is the y. So sine of pi is 0. The reciprocal, so then let's put it over a fraction. So the cosecant is the reciprocal of 0 over 1, which is 1 over 0. So this is undefined. Okay, let's do the sine of 5 pi over 3. So then we're going to go look for 5 pi over 3. And 5 pi over 3 is in the fourth quadrant. And we want the sine. So the sine is the y value, negative square root of 3 over 2. So this is equal to negative square root of 3 over 2. Okay, the tangent of 180. So here's 180. The tangent is the y over the x. So the y value is 0, and the x value is negative 1. So that's going to be 0 over negative 1, which is 0. This is simplified right there. You're going to get it wrong if you don't do that. So don't be lazy. Go 0 divided by negative 1 if you don't know how to divide that. Okay, go ahead and go to the next video to solve for these right here.